Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing a review on Mia's Secret Colorful Punch Kit acrylic powder, so stay tuned. Okay, so I did purchase this kit off of Amazon, and with it I am actually using my Mia's Secret liquid monomer. I feel like if you want to review an acrylic powder, try to get the monomer that goes with it. So the pricing for it, I will leave that in the description because I do not have it on me now. But we're going to start off with the Martini Blue color punch. It's really cute. I want to see if the colors are vibrant as they say. So guys, don't forget that I am practicing acrylic as well. So if you check out my other videos, you see that I am getting better each time. So I still can review them even though I'm not like the best out there. That doesn't matter. But anyway, I'm going to start on with my practice hand. Now the practice hand already has a layer of the Mia's Secret, let me see, natural pink acrylic powder. So I did that because usually with colored acrylic, it's not like full coverage. You know what I mean? And if you have a customer and you want to change their color, they come back in to change their acrylic color, you just file down that one layer of color and you have the clear underneath. So it's not too much work when they come back in. So anyway, this is, what did I say? This was the Martini Blue punch. Sorry, this was the Martini Blue from the Color Punch collection. So I'm really liking it. It's very easy to maneuver, especially when you do it correctly with the monomer to powder ratio. So it's not lumpy at all. I have tried many acrylic powders and some of the consistency of some of them just, are terrible. But this right here, it's not bad at all. Okay guys, so while I'm doing this review, I'm just going to be speeding up this video so we can go through them quickly. Okay, so next we have the Plum from the Color Punch collection, and that one is like purpley. It looks lighter, but it comes out very vibrant when applied. Wow, look how pretty that is. That is really pretty. So when it dries, of course, it doesn't dry shiny. We would have to put the top coat on to make it shiny. But I really like that color. Super consistent. And it just gives definitely a vibrant look. Next, we're going to use the raspberry. There are two colors in the kit. I'm sorry, not the kit, in the collection that look a lot alike. So I wanted to try just one of them, honestly, because it's 6 of them. So I just wanted to try one of them. And this one is the raspberry. Okay, wow, I definitely applied that on really nicely. So the raspberry. Very pretty. I like this one. So this one is definitely consistent as well. It has a vibrant look. And look back at that purple, the plum, how that dried. It's still super vibrant. I don't know why I can't get my words out today, but yeah, still super vibrant. So the next one we're doing is the pistache. The pistache. It's like a hint of green. So I'm just now realizing that all of the colors have like shimmer in them, you know, so it's, yeah, they all have some shimmer in there. So make sure you take that into, you know, consideration when picking or when purchasing. It's very faint. You can't really see it unless you're like really up on it. But yeah, there's definitely a little bit of shimmer in there. So we're on the pistache, and the pistache, so far each color has applied smoothly, very consistently, and my skills are getting better. Sorry about that sound, guys. My nail room is like right next to the bathroom. And I had to do a voiceover because you all know my situation. I have a toddler. Literally, she will be, it's just impossible. So most of my videos lately have been voiceovers. And then my cat is scratching at the door, so there's that. Okay, so pistache looks great. Let's try another one. One more. We're gonna go with the Pina colada. Pina colada. Okay? The Pina colada is yellow. It looks like mustard when applied, honestly, which I don't like. But, and I gotta tell you guys, so far, these have applied better than the Valentino collection. I haven't had much success with the Valentino collection, and I'm thinking it because I don't have the Valentino monomer. And like I said in the beginning of the video, when using an acrylic powder, you should try to use that same brand's monomer because it just goes well with each other. So that's what I think. But yeah, so it's like a mustard color, this Pina colada, which doesn't like give me the look of a Pina colada at all. But that's neither here nor there. So look at how bright that color is. It's very pretty. I had a little bit of trouble applying it because of me. Only me. That means that it wasn't the powder that made it look like this. It was literally me. Because I get up every day at 6 a.m. to practice my acrylic, and some days are better than others. Okay, yeah, so I'm trying to fix it up so it can look presentable. That's why this is a practice hand, guys. But it was really hard to get it to be like full coverage. And it's like what I said somewhere in this video, I did say that, you know, you want to have like a layer underneath it, because these colors, with how small the powders are, the powders are literally 1/4 an ounce. I mean, the bottles are literally 1/4 an ounce. You don't want to use too much, especially if you have like customers and everything. If you're practical yourself, that's fine, but you kind of want to do a layer underneath of any large, any cover or any natural acrylic powder, like a crystal clear, whatever you're using. But I'm trying to fix this up as best I can. So anyway, my take on these, the Color Punch collection for Mia's Secret, absolutely love it. Try to get all their products so it can what's the word I'm always looking for? Whatever. But the last color that comes in that kit is the Guayaba. I hope I'm saying that correctly. That one is very close to the raspberry, but I should have swatched it anyway, and I'm so sorry that I didn't. So make sure you guys check that one out. I like the consistency of all the colors. They are super vibrant and they're super easy to work with. So I would definitely recommend this for whomever is looking to purchase. I'll leave the link in the description below. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so that you never miss an upload, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!